Did you know that NCCERconnect now has performance reporting, simulations, learning modules, and an interactive e-text? Well, it does. My name is Brian Hale, and I'm one of two marketing managers that support the NCCR curriculum. The other is Mr. Daryl Trocolo. Together, we're going to give you a quick recap of what the NCCR program is, and then we're going to get into NCCERconnect and show you some of those great new features that we've added, all new in 2013, that you are going to want to know about. And those 5 things you need to know are listed here. First, you should know that we have over 60 craft areas. They include welding, HVAC, carpentry, plumbing, electrical, and many more. Second, you should know that we have an internationally recognized credential that's provided by NCCER. Third, using the NCCR program allows for a standardized, consistent delivery across multiple classes and schools. 4, having an NCCR certification leads to better pay and better job placement. And finally, you should know that the NCCR curriculum is written by practicing industry and academic experts. Now let's talk about NCCERconnect. So it's important that you know NCCERconnect is currently available for the titles listed on the screen here. We have it for carpentry, construction technology, core, electrical systems technician, heavy equipment operations, HVAC, plumbing, welding, and your role in the green environment. It's also important that you note that NCCERconnect is level specific. So we have an individual NCCERconnect product for each level of each craft area. Okay, so now let's talk about what's new for NCCERconnect in 2013. The first thing I want to talk about is our performance reporting feature. You'll notice it on the left-hand side of the screen. Now you may be familiar with performance reporting as we use it in our My Labs, but we've never had it at NCCERconnect, and our customers have been asking for this. So when you click on performance reporting, you'll notice you have some of the same features you may be familiar with when you've used it in the My Lab. We have our class overview, we have our student individual performance, and we also have the ability to configure the settings for this performance reporting feature. The next thing I want to talk about is our learning modules. So learning modules are something else we've had in our My Labs, but again, we've never had it with Pearson's NCCERconnect. Our learning modules are found in different areas within NCCERconnect. One spot you can find it is under the module. So if I open up a module here in our Welding Level 1 course, and I select the Media Library option, you'll find all of our new learning modules listed. If you open up any one of these, you can see how they work. For those of you who are not familiar with this, it's designed as a self-paced study tool for students and also a great resource for an instructor to use in the classroom. Underneath the learning modules, here you'll see some new animations that we've added to our welding course.
Of the current flow while welding. The arc and its resulting noise and light are audible and visual signs of the welding current being conducted across the arc.
Now, a lot of these animations have been pulled over from other Pearson resources. So they're brand new for NCCERconnect, so absolutely make sure you show them to your customers. And the last thing I want to show you are our new simulations. So these are currently only available for welding, but they are found under Module 7, and you can open up any one of them by clicking on the interactive setup simulator here. These were pulled directly from the My Welding Lab solution. Using the simulator is simple. Simply select a chapter, then select a simulation. Once you do that, you'll be provided with instructions on what steps you need to take. Over here, you'll be able to control your viewing environment by scrolling around with your mouse. You can crouch, sit up, and you can move around the room. At any point, you can hit Reset View, and that'll bring you back. So So the first instruction is asking us to find the safety gear before we get started. So in this case, I'm going to select the safety glasses here, click Submit. If I'm correct, it'll say so. When I hit Continue, it'll perform that action. It'll then give you your next step in the exercise. In this case, it's asking me to put on the power source. If I scroll around the room, move over, and zoom right in, I can select the power source here and click Submit. Again, if I'm correct, it'll say so and it'll perform that action. The next thing I want to show you is our full interactive media-rich e-text. Now I want you to make sure you know this is something that is not an optional selection for an NCCERconnect course. This comes standard with every NCCERconnect course. When you open our e-text, you'll notice on the top right-hand side we have different icons. The Apple icon will illustrate an instructor annotation. The film icons will be some sort of multimedia video.
There are two very good reasons for wearing hearing protection. Earplug.
So those are a few of the new things we've added to NCCERconnect this year. There's one other thing I want to make sure that everyone is aware of. And those are our NCCER executive directors. One of the best parts about selling NCCER is that you have access to a team of 5 executive directors. All they do is sell NCCER, and they're here to help anytime you need them. You can access their information in 3 easy clicks. From the NCCERconnect website, click on Visit Our Catalog on the bottom. Then select the Start Here button underneath Institution and Educator. Finally, select Find Your Rep on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find out a list of our 5 executive directors and each state that they cover. Feel free to reach out to them as soon as you uncover any NCCER business. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about NCCERconnect and all the great features we now have available for you. If you have any questions at all, you can always reach out to myself, Brian Hale, or my colleague Daryl Tracolo at any time. Thank you.